All right, welcome back. This video will be the base. We'll be drawing the base on. This is our plywood base, and it's kind of similar to what we did before for the top, but it's only 4mm thick. So I'm just trying to remember what I did, but I think I grabbed the tape measure tool, start on the edge, and it's a bit hard to see where the edge is in that view. So click once. We need to move down on the blue axis, so it's important. If it can't snap to the blue axis, the up arrow, and yeah, make sure it's pointing down, and click 4 or type 4, press enter. I can get rid of this, I don't need that there anymore. All right, back to our line tool. Now the lines that we draw need to be parallel to this edge. So if you remember, we click once at the corner, move our cursor up so that it inferences what we want. We need to make it needs to go pink. Once it's pink, hold down Shift, then touch that dashed line. I'm going to space bar out, I'm going to restart. So click once, move the cursor along the edge, move below, wait for it to be pink, then hold Shift and touch the dashed line. And draw one more there. Actually, I think I need to draw a line from here to here to finish that shape. Okay, we can erase that dash line now. And if you remember, it's the push-pull tool all the way across. So P, that surface, that face, all the way to this edge. So touch the edge. That's our plywood base drawn in. I'm going to make it a component. That's only a double click. Triple click. Then right click. Make component. I'll call this our base. And I can add a texture to this. So I've downloaded one. See how this one looks. Use image. Well, it's going. I wanted it to go the other way, but that's okay. It kind of looks a bit like a fence palings. All right. Oh, what has happened to my texture from the top? That's weird. Is it because I edited? I don't know. I seem to have lost my texture from the top. I don't know why. Anyway, that's the base. I might make another video that shows us how to do the little the hammer with the knob on the end. Make sure you click save, and at some point I'll just fix up the texture on the top there.